Hello everyone, my name is Aldi Respati, NPM 244111011, kelas MNG24C. Presentation Basic Concept and Laws of Probability. What is probability? Probability quantifies the likelihood of an event occurrence experience as a number between 0, implausible, and certain. This fundamental concept helps us navigate the uncertainties of life and makes informed decision. The origins of probability theory can be traced back to 16 tahun. Ken Curry emerging from the analysis of gambling problems by mathematical leaks Girolamo, Cardano, and later Pascal and Fermat. Quantifying uncertainty probability provides a framework for musing and understanding rudiments. It moves us beyond mere institutions to a systematic assessment of chance. Foundation for decision from predicting weather patterns to assessing financial risks. Probability is an indispensable tool for decision making across diverse fields including skincare, energy, and daily life. Key terms in probability. To understanding probability, it's essential to groups a few core definitions that from the building blocks of statistical analysis. Experiment, any process or observation which uncreating outcomes. Examples including rolling the flipping coins or drawing a card from a deck. Sample space, the complicated sets of all possible outcomes of experiments for a standard 6-sided D. Even a specific subset of outcomes from the sample space. For example, rolling an even number on a D is in even. Calculation probability classical approach. The classical approach is applies when all possible outcomes of an experiment are quality likely to occur. It provides a for methods for calculation probability. This method is based on the principle of symptometry, whereas outcome has an identical chance of happening. It often used for games of chance or situations with finite well-defined outcomes. P. Number of variable outcomes, total numbers of outcomes. P. N A and NS. For instance, if you want to find the probability of rolling ends on a Vertex sheet D, there is only one variable outcomes out of 6 total possible outcomes. Thus P. Calculation probability relative frequency approve when outcomes are not equally likely or cannot be known in advance. The relative frequency approach relies on empirical observation from repeat trial. Empirical foundation these methods determines probability by conducting an experiment multi times and observing the frequency of a particular event occurring. Observasi data is practically used in real-world scenario where the theoretical probabilities are hard to determine, such as predicting products failures rates or customer behaviors. Frequency of occurrence and total number of trial. As the number of trial increases, the relative frequency tend to get closer to the true probability. Fundamental probability laws. Several basic laws govern how probability combines allowing us the analysis more complex scenario involving multi events. Addition rules for two mutually exclusive events. The probability of either A or B occurring is the sum of their individual probability. Multiplication rules for the independent event. The probability of both A and B occurring is the product of their individual probability. Complements rules. The probability that an event A will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur. Why probability matters? Understanding probability is more than just academic. It's critical skill for navigating occurrence and making well-founded decisions in data-driven world. From forecasting features trends to assessing risks and validating scientific hypothesis, probability serve as the cornerstone of information analysis. It empowers individual and organizational to interpret data, make strategy, case, and understanding the likelihood of variance outcomes in unprinted world.